Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I was trying to see if this is in focus and everything. It's definitely crooked, so I apologize for that. I can see it's a little wonky. We're gonna leave it like that. You can see me, I can't see you, but you got good clarity and shiz, okay? So we're gonna keep going. Anyways, for this video, I'm gonna be talking to you guys about how I make my lip glosses. So yeah, I'm gonna get started with the ingredients, and then I will actually make a lip gloss with you guys. So normally, what I use, sorry, 1 second. I'm going to start off with the base I use, and this is like empty, so it's a little scrunched, but I use Versagel, and it comes in, you can get it in a much smaller package than this. It's like, the smaller one's about this big. But yeah, it looks like this, and it is from tkbtrading.com. So yeah, a bag like this is probably about $40, but you can get a smaller bag. I think they're about $5 or $6, so if you're like just starting off, or like you just want to do it for you for fun, you know, it's definitely cheaper if you get the smaller bag. And then I definitely would recommend adding oils to your lip glosses. It makes them smoother, less sticky, lighter, you know, like you don't feel it as much on your lips. So I use fractionated coconut oil. And now if you're going to use coconut oil, I would definitely recommend not buying the solid one, because even though you can melt it, I've noticed that sometimes it'll re-solidify, and then obviously you're not trying to have like giant clumps of like coconut oil in your lip glosses or whatever other products you're making. So yeah, I would definitely recommend fractionated coconut oil, and I got this bottle for about $7 on Amazon and free shipping, so you know. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. And that's that. Now we're going to get into the more fun lip gloss stuff. So yeah, I also have this big box of gloves because I sell most of my lip glosses, so therefore sanitary things are necessary. So we got some gloves. Shout out to my parents for getting this for me from Costco, because you know, big pack for cheaper. We saving money out here. So the next thing that you're going to need, and this is just stuff that I use for when I make lip glosses for myself. Obviously when I make for other people, I'm definitely more sanitary, like I would have my gloves on right now. But I don't, because it's just for me. So yeah, you're going to need some type of syringe. I got this on Amazon, and it's just a little one. And you put your lip gloss in here, and then you use this to fill it into the lip gloss tube. So yeah, this is just a syringe, and I will have everything linked down below if you guys want to actually go and buy everything and make your own. And the next is lip gloss tubes. So I just have one here. I have a wand tube. I also got this in a pack from TKB Trading, but you could also order from Amazon, AliExpress, and a bunch of other websites, which I will also link down below. So yeah, now the fun part is obviously the colors and the glitter and all that. So here I have a couple, more than a couple bags of mica powders, and you can use these in your lip glosses. Just make sure, I get mine from TKB, and when you purchase them, it tells you where they're okay for use, like your eyes, your lips. It tells you if they're vegan or not, if they're dye-free. So make sure if you're using this for a lip product, it has lip checked off so you can use it on your lips. So yeah, I have this one, is some copper color, and then this is a red color. And yeah, I have a bunch of different ones. So I'm going to pick one out. I think I'm going to pick one of the ones that I already have opened, because these ones I have not opened yet, and I want to use them for my little fall lip gloss collection I'm going to be launching probably October 1st. So yeah, check out roseco.com if you want to see that. So yeah, these are my older ones. Ooh, we're going to make a glitter lip gloss. So I'm going to use this. I wish it would focus. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, actually this is the middle of the video because it decided to cut off, and then my camera died or whatever. So I already filmed the intro, but this is the video where I'm going to show you guys how I make my lip glosses. I'd like to apologize for the fact that I look like a crack whore. I went out last night, and you know, then I like slept in my makeup, and this is what we're left with. And I just took out my extensions. So yeah, I just have my hair in a bun. We still cute though. We ratchet, but we cute. So anyways, I have all my ingredients and everything here. And I just set out the entire table again. I set out my light and everything. So we gonna film this video, and we gonna film it right, okay? So yeah. First off, because I think in the first video I tried to film, I only had cups. But I recently bought more paper plates, so I'm going to be using those. Okay. So yeah, let's get started with the mixing. So I'm going to take some of my gloves, put these bad boys on. How y'all doing? How was your weekend? Yeah, I'm assuming I'm going to upload this on like a Monday or a Tuesday, so yeah. Comment down below what you did, if you did anything fun. Okay, so bowl, Versagel. So I'm sorry the angle isn't better. I didn't know how to set up like the camera and stuff, so I'm gonna just like hold this up and hope that y'all could see. Like I said to y'all, I've been using this a lot, so it's a little empty, but we're gonna squeeze out what we got left. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all how much. I put about that much for now. So now we're gonna go in with the fractionated coconut oil. And I put a decent amount of coconut oil, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah. I'd say, I want to say like 50-50. It's probably more like 60 and then like 40% coconut oil. But yeah, I'm trying to show y'all if you could see that. So yeah, now we get to the fun part though. We get to add the scents and the flavors and color and glitter, whatever y'all want to add. So let's get into that, okay? So I have my big bag of colors right here. And I'm actually going to be making the ones that I'm selling, because in the last video I said I was going to make ones just for me. But I already did that and then didn't know the video didn't work. So let's look at what we got. I have Crucible Red, Glimmer Beige, Antique Copper, and then Copper Reflects. I think, okay, so one thing I didn't mention to you guys in the beginning of the video, I know I forgot, is liquid pigments. So I have 3 of them right here, and I actually think I'm going to use one of these right now. I have Lip Liquid in Red 7, Mauve, and Red 6. I think I'm going to try the Mauve, because I haven't tried that one yet. So yeah, the Lip Liquid just looks like this. And these are also vegan, in case you guys are wondering, because all my lip glosses are vegan and cruelty free. So I'm going to put a decent amount because I want my lip glosses to be very pigmented for my fall collection. So I'm going to put a decent amount like I just said. So yeah, I have that much in there right now. We're going to mix it up and see how it looks. But first, before we do that, we're going to pick a scent. So these are my scents that I have in here. It's the fall time, you know, so we're going to try to pick a fall scent. We're just going to go with vanilla. We're going to go basic for today, but it's okay. So yeah, here is my vanilla flavoring oil. This is all from TKB so far. So yeah, I'm going to put about 4 to 5 drops of that into the bowl. And now we're going to mix it. So in order to mix it, I just use a little wooden stick. I'm going to try to get this in the video for y'all. It's hard to mix like this, but yeah. So I'm going to just mix it real quick. Hold on. And I'll show it to you guys again. And if you start mixing it and you're like, oh my god, like the oil isn't combining, just keep mixing. It'll combine, don't you worry. We just gonna keep going. And then a lot of the time the gloss will look a lot darker than it's actually gonna appear, because right now this looks really dark. But I'm sure as soon as I swatch it, it won't be that dark. She looked good though. She looks smooth. She smell good, you know. We got the whole vibe going. Alright, let's look at her. She looked good in my opinion. She nice, you know. She got a good little bounce to her, you know. Alright, so I'm going to swatch it. So the way that I swatch it is I just take a new one of these. I take the tiniest little bit onto it, and then I just swatch it on my arm. Yeah, this is pretty. I don't know if y'all could see that. I keep focusing on my face. But yeah. I think I'm actually gonna leave it. Now, I'm going to add a little bit more pigment. So I just put that one to the side, and then I have my mixing stick still in the bowl. So I'm going to add about 5 more drops, because we want this to be hella pigmented like I just said. So I'm going to mix it again, swatch it again. It still looks the same in the bowl, but I'm assuming the swatch is going to look different. So now I'm taking the same stick from before, but I'm going to use the other side of it, you know, for sanitary purposes. Again, a little bit on the stick, and we swatch it. Yeah, that's better. She's a little bit more pigmented, as you can see. Ta-da! So yeah, now we go and try to fill it up. I'll be right back with the, not ingredients, what is it, supplies for that. Hey guys, welcome back. Well, I'm back. Y'all been there. Anyways, so yeah, I just have my pipette right here, and I'm gonna cut off the bulby part on the top, like that. Okay? So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your syringe, and you're gonna put it on like that. And obviously try to find one that matches the size of the tip here, so that way it'll just stay on. We still don't tape it though, because, you know, we gotta be careful. Make sure that shit don't slip off. So I just have Scotch tape right here. And I'm just going to go around this like 1 or 2 times to make sure that it doesn't fall off. Because we don't like sloppy work. I know it's a little ratchet that we taping this on, okay? But trust me, it's worth it. So yeah, you're going to tape that on like that. Make sure it's nice and good. So yeah, that's what you're going to use to fill your lip gloss tubes. Now I have this that I use to help me when I fill my tubes. So I just take the tubes and I put them in here. And then I go and fill them. So I'm just filling 4 right now. So yeah. She's all mixed and ready to go. So I'm going to just take this out and put this to the side because we don't need this anymore. And now the reason that I love working with paper bowls and cups and stuff like that is because I just make it into like a little sandwich. And then, boom, it starts coming out and I fill the syringe.
I'm gonna speed this part up. It's a little slow.
Okay guys, so I filled this up about halfway, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the tube on here. Normally I fill it up in there. Hold on. So this really tiny part I'm going to cut off because otherwise it fills up way too slow. We'll cut that off. Now it looks like this. And I was going to put the tube in there because otherwise sometimes when you go to do and put the top in, it'll start to come out and we don't want to waste any product. So yeah, I'm going to try to get this for y'all so you guys can see it. That was just the air bubbles. So yeah, now we're going to go and we're going to fill and fill and fill and fill and fill. And you want to remember that you are going to be putting a wand tube in here, so you do want to leave a little bit of extra room at the top. Yeah, that's about how full we gonna go. So yeah, that's how full we gonna make it. I'm gonna fill up the other 3 tubes and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I just finished filling up the 4 tubes that I had, and then I had a little bit extra, so I just made a little sample size of the gloss. So now the last part that you need to do is obviously put the wand in, and I know you guys are probably like, well obviously you just put it in a twist, but no, that stuff comes separately. So you have to add this little piece, and this helps that when you pull the tube out, there's no lip gloss all over this and only on the applicator. So personally what I like to do is I put this straight onto the tube, well not the tube, the applicator thing, and I just push it all the way down, and then I take the tube, I put it into the tube, and then I close it, and then it stays where it's supposed to be. I like that. So yeah, now you open it, and there's only lip gloss on the applicator and not on this part. So that's how I make my lip glosses. If you guys have any questions, if you want to see how I ship them or how I package them, how I decorate them, you know, with like labels and stuff, where I get my labels from, how I print my own shipping labels, anything like that, where I order my packaging from. Yeah, I'd love to fill you guys in on that. So if you want that, please comment down below. And if you guys have any other video requests that you want, again, comment down below. Comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know, help your girl out. She trying to help you, you know, reciprocity and stuff, okay? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye, loves.